Hi, for this video, what I want to do is show you how to calculate the percent change. In order to do that, we're going to take our new amount and subtract the original or the starting amount, and then divide by the original amount. Afterwards, we will multiply it by 100% to convert it from a decimal form into percent form. If we end up with a positive value, then we consider that a percent increase. If it's a negative value, then you're going to end up with a percent decrease. So in 1990, the population of a certain country was about 160 million people. In 2000, the population was about 154 million people. So we're going to start with the 160, so that's our original amount. And in 2000, this is going to be our new amount, is 154 million. So if we plug that into our equation, we would do 154 minus 160 over the original amount of 160. So if you wanted to plug this into your calculator all at once, and you're using a calculator like on your cell phone, make sure that you put parentheses around this so it doesn't divide first. But if you wanted to, you could also simplify. So 154 minus 160 does give me -6 divided by 160. If I plug that into my calculator, I end up with -0.0375. And then I would multiply this by 100% to convert it into a percent. So we can say that it's -3.75%. And then if you explained it, we could say that the population decreased by 3.75% from 1990 to 2000. Okay. So this would end up being a percent decrease since it's a negative value. So let's look at another example just to make sure that you understand how to use the formula. So for this one, in a certain region, the gross box office earnings for movies was $103.98 million in 2014 and $111.49 million in 2015. And so we want to find the percent change from 2014 to 2015. So again, we are going to do the new. So this is the newest one. So we're going to do 111.49, and we're going to subtract from that the original or the starting in 2014, which is 103.98. And then we would divide by 103.98. So again, if you wanted to do it all at once, you would put parentheses around the top. Otherwise, you could simplify it, and if I do 111.49 minus 103.98, I end up with 7.51. And then I'm going to divide that by 103.98. This one is approximately 0.0722. Just round to however many decimal places you want to. Your homework platform, if you're working online, usually tells you, so just round to whatever decimal place that they say. If they want it as a percent, we would multiply it by 100%, and we would end up with approximately 7.22%. So this time, since it is positive, we can say that the percent increase from 2014 to 2015, it's about 7.22%. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics that you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.